Project. Using the should. Action that we do to avoid the current problems that we are causing on our planet. Pollution. Governments and society should propose better environment politics. We shouldn't start forest fires. At home and in the field, we shouldn't put organic waste. We should separate the garbage into organic and inorganic to treat it. All the people should plant trees to absorb carbon dioxide to avoid overheating the planet. The big businessmen should establish industrial operation rules to have better machinery so as not to pollute the atmosphere, water, soil, and air. Poverty and inequality in the world. Governments should propose better social politics. Society should have the same right to education to improve their living conditions. The governments of each country should establish sources of employment and good salary for all workers. Governments shouldn't establish economic support programs for people. It is better to teach them to produce and generate wealth for all. The COVID-19 pandemic in the world. Modern societies should be prepared to face health contingents. The death of millions of people from the pandemic should raise awareness among governments to improve the condition of health services around the world. We should keep a healthy distance, frequently wash our hands with soap and water, wear a mask, and insulate ourselves if we get contaminated. Education in today's world. Education should be accessible to all without an exclusion. All nations should have decent schools with the infrastructure of modern teaching materials, technology, and quality teachers. The education should prepare for life and to live better. Teachers in school should use advanced technology so that they can use the improve teaching and learning. All teachers should be updated to improve the teaching and learning of their students. Wars. Many wars in the world are generated because there isn't enough understanding between governments. Governments should think about human beings, not about power. Our governments should conduct pre-tight negotiation. The people in the place where we live should build a culture of tolerance and negotiation to manage conflicts. The family, the school, and everyone together should teach conflict prevention. Nations should establish multilateral agreements to preserve peace. Global warming. We should prevent fires. We should use car less. We should ride more bicycles and we also prevent overweight and obesity. We should prevent global warming because the poles are melting. We should walk every day for at least 30 minutes and not use internal combustion engine vehicles. Violence. Violence has created too many problems that society can't solve them. Therefore, we should eradicate corruption. The authorities should apply the laws fairly. Society should practice the culture of denunciation and the authorities should have fairly punish the guilty. Thank you.